Welcome to kawaiinfriends. So today we're going to be reviewing this Orbeez slimy hydro flow slime and Peeps Squishy. So let's get started. So first let's start with the slime. There we go. So this.
Here, you want me to help you?
It smells weird.
Ooh, there we go.
It's a water slime and it looks very cool. And it has these like Orbeez in them, something like that. If I can show you that in a minute. This smells like chicken for some reason. You see, there's like an Orbeez in here.
Smell like chicken.
Yeah, kinda.
No.
Like when it smells far away, it smells like chicken.
No.
But like when you smell it up close, it's like, what the heck? Why is there chemical smells?
I don't know. It's pretty cool looking. Is it water slime?
Yeah. Trying to get everybody out of here.
Oh wow. Let me see if I can zoom in.
Oh.
There we go.
It's pretty jiggly. It's not that stiff. You still can stretch it.
Yeah.
And my hands smell like chicken.
Wow, man.
You can poke it. And the cool thing is, you know how normal clear slime gets foggy so easy? This actually stays clear for a long time. So that's the cool thing.
Yeah, and I see the Orbeez kind of coming out.
Yeah, you see that, guys? They're like weird feeling.
But overall, she makes pretty successful slime. We've been making it for a long time, so we'll be doing some homemade slime and stuff on this channel later.
Yeah.
But overall, how do you rate it? 1 out of 10, you think?
I would give it a 5 because it's pretty good. And I really like the color, and I like how the glitter doesn't stick to your hands like some slimes in the store-bought world for slime. And I like how the little Orbeez things stick in the slime. They just don't pop out.
Yeah.
So I really like that matter of fact about this slime. And I think it's pretty good.
Okay. Now do you want to move on to the Peeps?
Yep.
Alright, we can leave that on the thing for now. It's pretty cool. I like the color.
Yeah. Okay, so this is a Peeps Squishy. It's pretty cheap. That's why we bought it.
Yeah, the slime. We'll leave the price for the slime as we do it. We'll add it.
Smells like chocolate.
Let me see. Yeah, it does. It smells like a Peeps chocolate peep. Show everybody how squishy it is. I'll zoom in. Oh, is it a slow rise?
That's what it says on the package. And I like the pink. It's very it's a nice pink.
Yeah.
And this is like a very nice squishy. It's very soft. And like some other squishies that you would find in the store, sometimes hard. And this is just everything.
Yeah, she liked it. Too bad they didn't have the bunny.
Yeah, you see the bunny on the package. You see, if they had that, I'd probably gotten that instead. But I'm pretty happy with this.
So yeah, pretty much that was a fast review. On this channel, we're mainly going to do a lot of slimes, squishies, anime, kawaii stuff, right?
Yeah.
And just different things like that. I mean, pretty much that's why kawaiinfriends. That's why we named it that. But just a lot of anime and kawaii stuff and stuff like this. Maybe
cute
toys.
Anime.
Yeah, cute anime and like toy reviews on stuff like that. But yeah, maybe review shows and series and talk about stuff like that.
Yeah.
But anyways, that's pretty much gonna wrap this up.
I just love the smell of this.
So which one was your favorite one today?
Both. I can't choose.
Let us know in the comments which one was your favorite and below. Make sure you give us a thumbs up, like us, check us out on Instagram, kawaiinfriends. And that's about it. Like and subscribe and share it with your friends and look for another video. We're going to try to do one video a week.
Yep, we'll try to make you guys happy.
Alrighty, that's it.
Bye!